This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5, and in today's video I'll show how you can enter the power saving mode on this device. So in the beginning you will need to launch the settings. Here find and enter the device, or excuse me, the battery category. Should be somewhere here, yep, right below the display. Now you can just, well, obviously enable or disable power saving mode here. And once you are at the power saving properties, you can change all those preferences here, decide which measures will be taken once you switch the power saving mode on. So, and which of those measures will not be enrolled. So I guess that will be more or less it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.